Hello, and welcome to Jiang-Liu's physics project. Today we will be analyzing the family comedy, Home Alone 2, Lost in New York. Let us start with some simple kinematics.
You promise? I cross my heart and hope to die. Okay. Okay, kid. Give it to me. Direct it.
Now assuming an average 3-story apartment building is 10 meters high with the average male human being 1.83 meters tall, what is the impact velocity of the brick, and how long did it take to land on Marv's face? Well, with an acceleration of 9.8 meters per second squared, we can use this formula to find the amount of time, which turns out to be 1.3 seconds long. Next, we use this formula to figure out the final velocity. This ends up being minus 12.65 meters per second. With that hard of an object at that velocity, Marv will surely die. Now, we will return to our favorite unit in physics, forces.
Use the force, Luke.
Created by the one and only Sir Isaac Newton.
I'm coming up! Uh-oh.
If the bag of cement was 45.36 kilograms and the average human is usually 70 kilograms, what would the coefficient of friction have to be for Marv to actually climb the rope? Well, since the force of gravity is equal to the normal force of the bag, the normal force would be 453.6 newtons. We also know that the tension in the rope cancels out Marv's weight, meaning it has to be 700 newtons. Now we plug that in to find the coefficient of friction. By dividing the tension by the normal force, we end up with a coefficient of 1.54. Wait a minute. That is not physically possible. A coefficient of friction cannot be greater than 1. I guess Marv is destined to die.
Ow! Right in the schnoz! That's 2. Come on, let's get him.
Oops.
Now, if the mass of the steel pipe is 24.04 kilograms and the length of each rope is 1 meter long, what is the tension of each rope if the pipe goes at a velocity of 15 meters per second? Well, the summation of the centripetal force is 2 tensions minus the force of gravity, which is equal to velocity squared divided by the radius, multiplied by the mass. We plug in our values and get a tension of 11.25 newtons. I do not understand how this is a kid-friendly movie, especially when Kevin clearly intends to kill human beings with his traps. Thanks for watching.